In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar to your video using CapCut PC. If you want to add an animated loading bar or a dynamic progress line that keeps viewers visually engaged all the way to the end of your video, CapCut makes it surprisingly simple. The nice thing about this method is that you do not need to build anything from scratch. Instead, you'll use one of CapCut's built-in animated text templates and place it directly over your video. To begin, go to the top left area of your CapCut layout and look for the main menu section. From there, click on the tab labeled Text. This opens the text tools and gives you access to different styles and template options. Once you're inside that section, look just below for the sub-tab labeled Text Templates. Click that, and CapCut will load its library of pre-made animated text and graphic style overlays into the sidebar. This is where you'll find the kind of progress animation we need. Now that the template library is open, move to the search box near the top of the sidebar. Click inside the field and type a keyword such as loading or progress, then press Enter on your keyboard. CapCut will filter the available assets and show you relevant animated template options. Take a moment to scroll through the thumbnail previews until you find a progress bar style that matches the overall look and feel of your video. Some will be clean and minimal, while others may be more playful or bold, so choose the one that best fits your project. Once you've found the right template, it's time to place it into your edit. Click and hold the progress bar template, drag it down to the timeline, and drop it onto a track above your main video clip. Placing it on a layer above the footage ensures the progress bar appears on screen as an overlay. After that, you'll want to make sure the animation lasts for the full duration of your video. Hover your mouse over the far right edge of the purple template block in the timeline until your cursor changes into a double-ended resize icon. Then click and drag that edge to the right until the template matches the exact length of the video clip underneath. This step is important because it allows the bar to fill from beginning to end in sync with your video. Now when you press play, the progress bar should animate smoothly across the screen and track perfectly with your clip's runtime. And that's it. You've opened the text library, searched the templates, added the overlay to your timeline, and adjusted the duration so it lines up with your video from start to finish.